Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to pin chats on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app. Now, you will see the person you have chatted with. Choose the user you want to pin, and long press on the user's profile. Then you will see the pin icon at the top of your screen. Tap on it, and you will successfully pin chat on the Telegram app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to pin chat in Telegram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.